So you want to add a view account to your stream? Well, here's how you do that. Hey guys, I'm OwenLordo3 and today I'm going to be showing you how to add a view account onto your Streamlabs stream. Now, first off you want to go onto your dashboard, so this is going to be on streamlabs.com/dashboard, and then you're going to want to come over to all widgets on the side here. And now when you're on this will show up like this, and you want to come over to view account, and now this will give you a few suggestions and templates, but if we're just going to add a basic one. So we want to scroll down and we're going to set it for Twitch viewers, and then you can add multiple, but for now we're just going to have a Twitch viewer one. And now I have a Techo. I have Techo font because this is what I have across all my widgets, just so they all look quite similar. And then font size, I am just going to bring this up. I'm going to bring this up to 58 and then we can shrink it down. And then font weight. So font weight we're going to set at 600. And now your text color, you can change this around if you want. I'm going to leave it as white. But if you want to change this, just be mindful of what will be behind it and whether or not you will see the number. And then if you know HTML or any of these, then you can go in here and set it. But I'm just going to save my settings. And now quite simply what we're going to do is we're going to open Streamlabs. And now when we're on here, as you can see, we've already got our widgets from the last videos. If any of these you don't know how to add, then there will be a video for them in this playlist, and if you can't find it in the playlist, then it will be on the channel. So we're going to add a new source, and then what we're going to do is we're going to come on down to here and then click view account and then add source. And now I'm just going to call this view account and then done. Now what we're going to do, because it gives this big box for it, which obviously we don't need because none of this apart from this square is going to be used. So what we're going to do is we're going to hold down Alt and then drag this up. And we're going to do this the same on this side. And we're going to crop this down as much as we can. Okay, so now we've got this quite tight on it. I'm going to drag it up to the top corner and I'm just going to put it there and shrink it down a bit. But maybe if I didn't like this, I could drag it over to here and have it sit here, and I'm going to move it so it fits around a similar size. So that is how you set up your view account. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it was helpful. If you have any questions, put them down in the comment section below, and don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it and subscribe. We also have different social medias, so these will be in the description, along with a LinkTree link to see multiple at once. If you want to get connected with us, don't forget to join the Discord, where we'll be the most active over the social medias. But now, before I go, I just want to say to you about TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a free browser extension that will help you get more views by boosting your chances in the algorithm due to new optimization skills. They've got a load of tools to use for free, and even more if you sign up. Use the link below and download TubeBuddy. This link is an affiliate link, so it will also support my channel as it will for you. So don't forget to download TubeBuddy and get more views, because why not? It's free. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.